Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a game-changing tool for analyzing your competition on Amazon. Asinzen Insights Get My Item Offers function. This feature lets you pull essential product offer data straight into your Google Sheets, giving you a detailed snapshot of your competitive landscape. With the Get My Item Offers function, you can retrieve key data points from Amazon listings, including the buy box price, the total number of offers, the bestseller rank, the lowest FBA price, and much more. This data is invaluable for understanding pricing trends, competition levels, and product potential. There are two ways to use this function. First, you can input it directly into a cell. For this, you'll need the Amazon Marketplace, the ASIN, and the item condition. You can use new or used. Simply type Get My Item Offers, followed by the marketplace in quotes, the ASIN in quotes, and the item condition. You can use new or used. Hit enter, and the function will instantly retrieve offer data for that product. Now, let's explore the second method, the function builder. Navigate to extensions, Asinzen Insight, function builder. Locate the Get My Item Offers function within the product data section. Select the cells containing the ASIN you want to analyze. Here's where the real power of the function builder shines. You can fully customize the data you want to retrieve. With intuitive drag and drop, as well as options to select or deselect specific fields, you can focus on the exact details you need, saving time, reducing clutter, and keeping your sheet perfectly organized. Once you've customized your data selection, click the Get My Item Offers button. The function will process all selected ASIN and populate your sheet with the precise data you've chosen. By leveraging Asinzen Insights Get My Item Offers function, you gain a comprehensive tool for evaluating the competitive landscape on Amazon. This data can guide your pricing strategies, product sourcing decisions, and overall business growth. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more actionable tips and tutorials.